So first of all, thanks for clicking on my video guys. How are you all? I hope you all are good, fit and fine. So today I am going to make you understand the complete interface of Call of Duty Mobile and how you can change your dresses, characters, gun skins, class drivers and each and every function of this game. So who are new to my channel, it's my request to please like, subscribe and comment your honest opinion about this video. So without further delay, let's get started. So the first thing first is our profile menu. So we are clicking on our profile menu. So you can see the player level rewards here. The level which you complete, you get rewarded about these certain things. So you can check it out here. And after that we are going to click on this function, and here you can see your profile picture, as you can change your profile picture from here. And then you can change your name by clicking on this here, and you have to spend CP, or you can change your name by credits also. And after that you can see your all statics here, like MVP 15 games MVP, and games 74 total, top 3 36, kills 901, KD ratio and average accuracy. This is about the multiplayer. Okay, and after that you can go to battle royale. As I am battle royale player, so this will be better for me. And my MVP is 120, and wins is 54, matches is 330, and kills is 1757, average damage is 932.14, average accuracy of, and all these things you can see here. And this is another mode which I never played, so all the things you can see here. And this is my achievement display, what I achieved, all these things, and medals. And okay, this is completed, and now we are for opening this player achievements. And you can see all your achievements which you get in the game until now. And again, this is the multiplayer, and this is battle royale, and this is zombie. And okay, now we are moving to medals. All these medals I earned. And about this player history, the matches you played, you can see your last matches record here, that what you have done. And okay, this is the player profile. And we are next moving to the dark side draw, and these are the draws which we can draw by spending the CP. And you can collect the mythic and mythic guns, mythic character, mythic outfits from here by spending CP and opening the draw. And again, you can see here going dark events. And here you can see all the events which are currently running, nights divided, featured, seasonal, daily. And you can open it, and you can see your tasks you have to do to claim your rewards here. Okay, so these are the things. And now we are further moving to limited time offer. Here you can see the offers which is for limited time, and it changes according to the time and day by day, so you can check your offers here. And next we are moving to the store. Okay, this is our store where we can purchase the items like our gun skins, our characters, and outfits, and weapon CP cards. Lots of things you can purchase here, like featured is battle pass and dark side draw, night thriller crate, all joke crate. Okay, so here you can see I am on 50 level, so it is completed for me for this season. And I am already bought a battle pass. And after lights out draw, and these all are draw, you can see I show you earlier. And here you can see all jokes. Okay, these are all the featured store items. And next we move to crates. These all are crates, and we can purchase these crates by spending CP. Like in PUBG we spend UC, and here we have to spend CP to open these crates. And same all you can check the crates here. And after you can see the bundle, and in this, if you purchase this bundle with 160, you can get all these things here. Like here this comes in 760 CP, so you will get all these things. And next we move to gun skins, and you can purchase this gun skins by spending CP on that, like here. So you can purchase all these gun skins. This will change according to the time, so no issue. Here you can see all the sniper, SMGs and shotguns and all these things here. And after we move to this thing, and here you can purchase the wing suits. This is called wing suit when we fly, so this will show up there. And this is the parachute, and this is a helicopter. Okay, and all these things you can purchase from here. And after we are moving to this column, and here you can purchase the weapon XP card, which you can use to upgrade your guns and rename your name with the rename card. And I had made a video on that also, that how you can get the free weapon XP cards. You can check it out in my channel, and you can see there that how you can earn this free weapon XP card, so that you can upgrade your weapons from there. And here this all these things you can purchase it by spending credits, which you will get free after playing the games and completing certain levels, and you will get the credits, and you can purchase anything from here by spending credit. And after here, this all are CP store, where you can purchase the CP to buy the things like you see in PUBG Mobile, so CP in Call of Duty Mobile. So our store section is completed, and now we are moving to our loadouts. Okay, so here this screen is about the multiplayer and battle royale. So here we open this, we will get the things here like multiplayer, battle royale, customization and inventory. In multiplayer, you can select your weapon camos and gunsmith here, assault rifle, sniper, LMG, SMG, shotgun, marksman, all these guns are here. And in assault rifle, like you can see all your assault rifles down here. And after that you can change the camo, like skin of your guns, and the loadouts which you want to use in game, you can change it from here. Just you need to click on gunsmith, and here see I used like barrel, OWC, marksman, and this all park, laser. I will make the separate video about the loadout which you can use better for this. And now we moving to camo. Camo is the skin of your guns which you earn. You can use that camo on your gun like this, and this is my earned skins. So I am using this, like you can unequip from here and equip from here, and these all are other skins from here, you can see. So now we are moving to sniper, and all like same all the things are same. You can change your sniper from here, and the skin of your sniper, and you can again change your loadout you want to use and in which you are comfortable. You can use it from here. And LMG, SMG, shotgun, marksman. Okay, these all are same. And now we are moving to this column, and in this column you can see all your characters which you have earned. And in this you can't able to change the clothes of character like same in PUBG. You have to change complete character like price, cost, Mara. I have Outrider, and I have 3 skins for Outrider like this. And you can change your clothes from here. I am using this one, and I have another one also. Let me show you. Here in Reaper, like Reaper, I have this one and this one. 2 I have Reaper, Tad, Tengu, Urban Tracker. All this I have. You can change it from here. And next we are moving to this one. This is the grenade skins and X and Molotov. This one you all have to unlock this all. So let's move on to battle royale. In battle royale also, like you can change your weapon camos from here. And I have this AK-117 camo, this one and this one, so I can change it from here, no issue. And like sniper, LMG, just you need to press on change camo and you can change it from here, so easy. And now we are moving to the same. These all are our character skins, and this one is Trickster, and this one is our class driver which we can use in battle royale. This is our special ability, so that we can confuse our enemy when it comes near to us. We can distract him by using this ability. Like Trickster written here, Psychosis use 2 holographic decoys and a major speed boost to confuse your enemies. All these are made for confusing your enemies, and so that you can kill them easily. like clown, medic. In clown, when you drop the clown, it will summon zombies that only attack units near them. And in medic, it places a medical station that heals you and allies continuously. And in ninja, defender, it will blind your enemy. Mechanic, all this trap master, all these are your special classes which you can use to confuse your enemies. And now we are moving to our glow stick. This hardly no one use. I use knife only, so equip knife. I have all these things here, you can use anything in that. And now we are moving to wingsuit. And I have certain wingsuits here, like when you fly in air, so it will show that time like this when we are flying. So you can select the wingsuit skin from here. I will equip this one. And this one is parachute skins. I own this all parachute skins here. I can use anyone which I like. When you play the game, you can open easily. It is not that hard that is in PUBG, so you can open it easily. And now we are moving to customize airdrop weapon. In this game, we have to customize our weapons which we are going to get in airdrop. Like if we need any customized weapon with the special attachments which we need, so what we have to do is, like I have used the AK-117 on the first slot, and second slot is AK-117 and Arctic and XPR-50 and BY-15, like all this I have used. So what you need to do is just click on it, and after that you have to go to gunsmith, and you will change your loadout according to your requirement. And then when you go to loot your drop, you will find out this guns in your drop in the arsenal column of the drop, so you can get it from there. And this is the again different feature in this game. So if you need any special guns in any your inventory, you just use it in loadout, and when you go to drop, and you can get it from there. So all these are here. And now we are going to customize it. So this is the customize menu. So here you can select your character dances or whatever you say, like this, or all this, and the spray paint in the lobby when you use this, so it will show like this. And now we move to inventory. In inventory you will see the going dark crate. I have one crate. You can open the crates from here whenever you see it. So like I open this one and I get this drone, no use. And I have 34 weapon XP card, purple and blue one, so I can use this weapon XP card to upgrade my weapons. So how you can upgrade your weapons also, like just go to loadout, battle royale, and now click on customize airdrop weapon. And here you can see assault, sniper, LMG. So I am going to upgrade this Arctic 50. Okay, this one is already max, so I will choose another gun. Okay, so we will upgrade Locust as it is on 12th level. And now after upgrade it, so we can see on which level we are. Now from 12 to 15 we have moved. So after video I will upgrade its loadout. And now we are further moving to clan. Here you can see all your clan activities, and whichever clan you have joined, you can see the members here, the task of the clan, and the rank, and your rank, and all your teammates rank. And this is the ladder board. You can see all the top player of the world here, KD ratio, kills per match, win rate, and all this you can check it out here. And after that you just go to arsenal. I had made a special video on the arsenal, and you can check out on my channel that what actually arsenal is. It is a different topic, so I had made a new video on that. It is already uploaded on my channel, you can check it out. And now we are moving further upside. Here you can see the messages, like all messages which last chance of ascended magazine, mythic drop, and notification of name changes, everything you will get here. And this is the gift whichever you get from your friends, like an XP card normally we transfer to each other. And this is the column of your friends, like friend invite, Facebook friends, and your game friends. And here you can see the request. I get 2 requests. I accept all, no problem. And recent games, you have played games with the teammates, you can see them here. And add friends, you can add your friend here by putting his name here, game name, or the game ID of the player. And here in multiplayer are I will show you the multiplayer modes, which all modes are here in multiplayer game. So these all are the modes in multiplayer, like team deathmatch, like TDM, domination, search and destroy, kill confirm, lots of you can see here. There are lots of multiplayer modes here, and you can play. This is for the practice. You can training with the auto intelligence, and training mode also for making your aim better and locking aim. You can do it from here. And I don't play multiplayer, so I am not talking much about the multiplayers here. And now we move to battle royale. This battle royale is like same as PUBG, and we can play with our with the squad, duo, and single, classic or Alcatraz. There are 2 maps, and FPP and TPP we can play it here. Like I play TPP mostly and classic. So fill the squad means you want all your players. If you playing in squad, you will get 4 players, or you want to play solo versus squad, so you can uncheck it from here. And these all are the features in this game. And now I am going to show you the settings of this game. Setting, we got the controls first, like it is multiplayer mode and BR mode. So you can change your layout according to yourself. I am a 6-finger claw player. This is my customized layout, and you can change according to your controls which you want to use. Everything is here. And after that we will go to basics, and in basic also same multiplayer mode and BR mode. And you can use auto loot, auto open door, fix right fire button, aim assist, all these functions. And hide prone button, hold crouch to prone. If you use this, the prone button will hide, and you can hold the crouch button to prone. So this is the feature, like ADS, tap and hold to ADS, tap to ADS, hybrid ADS, double tap to ADS, display left fire button on, whatever you want to use. And the gyroscope, my gyroscope is on while ADS. Before I use on, but now I shifted to while ADS. On of difficulty in playing with iPad, so I use to while ADS. Like camera FOV, range, first person only. And now we are going to shift on the audio and graphics. So these are the graphics and audio. You can check out according to your device. And after that we will move to sensitivity, multiplayer mode and BR mode. So this is my sensitivity settings. You can change according to your sensitivity settings, whichever you like to use. And these are the BR settings. This is the vehicle settings, and this is the loot settings. You can use the default loot settings which your player pick automatic. And this all is the quick message. See, all these are, you can use it here. And this is the controller, if you want to use controller to play this game. This is also a good feature. If you want to play this game with the controller, you can play it easily, no problem. This is the controller, BR sensitivity, controller multiplayer sensitivity, and the settings of the controller. And all this here you can select your language, legal and privacy. If you need any support, you can go to support section, and you can select to default also. And you can log out your account from this one. So this is the complete tutorial of the interface for the players who are new to COD, or the players which are shifted from PUBG to the COD. So they need to know all these things so that they will not get confused with the interface of this game and understand the features of this game easily. So we are wrapping this video today here. So I hope you all are enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment on my channel, and share with your friends also. So bye bye and take care, and we will meet you in next video.